Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're told a line in the xy plane has a slope of 2/3 and passes through the origin. We're asked which of the following points lies on the line. So the first thing we have to do is find the equation of the line. So if we're using the slope-intercept form, y is equal to mx plus b. M is the slope, which we're told is 2/3. So we have y is equal to 2/3 x plus b. B, we are actually given here. We're told that the line passes through the origin, right? So if something passes through the origin, right, any line, doesn't matter what it is, for it to be passing through the origin is the point where it intersects the y-axis. It's also where it intersects the x-axis, but what matters here is that it intersects the y-axis. It can only intersect the y-axis at one place, so therefore, that is the y-intercept of this line, right? If you have this line here, what is its y-intercept? Well, it's right there, it's at the origin. So this is plus 0, and 2/3 x plus 0 is just 2/3 x. So now we're asked which of the following points lies on the line. So we have to plug in these points until we see one that matches. So 0, 2/3, so we have to plug in x is 0, so 2/3 times 0 is equal to y, which is 2/3. Is 2/3 equal to 2/3 times 0? Well, this is just equal to 0, so that's not the case, so A is not our answer. Plugging in for b, y is equal to 2, so 3 is equal to 2/3 times 2. 3 is equal to 2 times 2 is 4 over 3. 3 is not equal to 4 over 3, so B is not our answer. C, 6 is equal to 2/3 times 4. Is this correct? 4 is equal to 2/3 times 6, because we have to plug in 4 for y, 6 for x. 4 is equal to 2 times 6 is 12 over 3. What is 12 divided by 3? 12 divided by 3 is 4. So this is our answer, and C is good. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.